Welcome to the Sledgehammer's Edge universe. And thank you so much for being here. Let me tell you, from the day I was born, 2 decades, 20 years, I spent in developing my mind, connecting myself to whatever intellectual, knowledgeable space I could connect with. I concentrated on developing my body. I would work out day and night. And I concentrated on developing my soul spiritually with our rich heritage of Vedantic teachings. The following almost 4 decades, I spent an amazing time meandering through the corridors of the corporate world as a professional, starting as a management trainee and eventually teeing off as a chief executive officer. And when I stood on the summit of my professional journey, the destination, the end, oh, it was amazing. It was beautiful. Everything around me was just ethereal. And then, when I look back, I saw that daunting journey I had traversed to get to where I was. And that day, I made a decision. It was payback time. It was time for me to take all my experiences, all my learnings, all my failures, all my successes, and share it with the rest of the world so that I could empower anyone who connected with me. And that's when my journey began. An amazing journey. The Sledgehammer's Edge universe is my vision. A vision to create a universe of collective wisdom where anyone, be it professionals, entrepreneurs, artists, young budding leaders, students, mavericks like me, anyone who can step in, learn as much as they can, empower themselves with whatever this universe offers, and then think from a higher level of consciousness and create awe-inspiring endeavors to change the way the world exists. That's my vision. And that's my vision for each one of you. So thank you so much for being here. And welcome once again to the Sledgehammer's Edge universe.